Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about 8 Japanese concepts that help in my personal life. First is Ikigai. Ikigai means purpose in life. My goal is to become a successful HR manager. Second is Kaizen. Kaizen means improving little by little every day. I practice English and improve myself daily. Third is Wabi Sabi. Wabi Sabi means accepting imperfection. Nobody is perfect, and that is okay. Fourth is Ganbaru. Ganbaru means never giving up. I work hard even when life is difficult. Fifth is Omoihari. Omoihari means caring for others. I try to help and respect people. Sixth is Shoshin. Shoshin means always being ready to learn new things. 7 is Kinstugai. Kinstugai teaches that struggle can make us stronger. Last is Gaman. Gaman means partition and self-control. I try to stay calm and focused. These Japanese concepts help me become a better person in my life and future. Thank you for your listening.